Hi guys, welcome back to Focus Android YouTube channel. In today's video, I will discuss how to change username on TikTok. Okay, we start open the TikTok application and then we go to the profile in the bottom right corner, and at the top we tap on edit. This we go to edit profile and you can see a second from the top is username. We tap there and here you can change your username. For example, here I want to change my username. After we typing the new username, we can tap save in the top right corner, and finally you can tap set username to save. So once you change your username, you won't able to change it again for another 30 days. So before you change it, you have to absolutely sure about your new username. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.